Namaste my dear children, hope you are doing well. So we have already provided you a revision video which have basic typing of MS Word. Now we will learn new features of MS Word. So what are different features we are going to learn today's class? So we are going to learn copy formatting to another selection, finding the text and replacing the text. So first of all, I will open the Word file. How I will open? I will click on the search box. I will type here Word. Now you can see at the top there is a word. I will press the enter key. Now my Word file is open. I will click on the blank document. On the blank document, now you can see the Word file has opened. We are already aware at the top we will get the ribbon is divided into tabs and group. So first of all we will work on the home tab. So inside the home tab the first group is clipboard. So copy formatting to another selection. So what is the use of this? It is a painter. So why we use format painter? Format Painter tool is used to copy and apply text formatting and some basic graphics formatting like border, borders and fills to another selection. So first of all I am writing 3 lines. My name is Arush. I study in grade 4th. My favorite subject is computer. Now I am changing the style of first line. I have changed the font style. This is a font style. So I am changing the font style Forte. I am changing the color also and size also. So I have applied so many changes in the first line. Now I want to apply all other changes in both second and third line. So what I will do, I will select this first line or I will select only one letter. I will click on the format painter and I can click I can click Control plus Shift plus C. This is a copy. This shortcut keys, these 3 shortcut keys help me to copy the format of this selected text. So I am just clicking on here and then you can see my cursor has changed. It convert into the brush. Now I will select the third line. Now whatever I have selected, it has changed its style. So you can see it apply text formatting. So this feature we call format painter. Or I can select the whole line, select the format painter and I have select second line. Now you can see this is a use of format painter. Now my content has not changed. It have changed the style. All the formatting it has converted. Now second feature I want to use finding the text. So how I will use finding the text. So I'm just copy the third line, Control plus C. So you can see I have copied third line and paste it 3 times. So I want to search the computer word. So how I will search? You first of all you will go to the editing group. This is an editing group. You can see there is a find option. So what is the shortcut key of find? Control plus F also. So either we can use Control plus F, or we can click over here. So I'm clicking over here. Now at the left side you will found the navigation pane. So we will write here computer. Press enter. Now you can see all the computer words are highlighted. And here the lines are also showing. You can see my favorite favorite subject is computer. My favorite subject is computer. Now see, this feature is generally used where you have a big document and you want to search something. Fine. Now next feature we are going to learn about the how we can replace the word. So in editing group you can see there is a replace option. We will click over here, and what is the shortcut key of replace? Control plus H. So we will simply click on the replace button, or we can click Control plus H also. So I'm just changing computer to French. We find what? Computer and replace with French. Replace. It is finding. I'm clicking on the finding only. When I will click on the replace, it will get replaced. See, if I will click on the replace all the computer world will replace by French. All done, we made 2 replacement. Thank you. I hope you understand it well. Now you all have to do practice of Format Painter, finding the text and replacing the text.